at the Sacramento River with Nick and Timothy. Yep, kind of awkward. Okay. Oh yeah, the random nig right there. Nah. What is this cricket?
Come on, make it.
Right, this pull I'm going for sturgeon, using salmon roe, and then this pull I have the high-low rig. I'm using nightcrawler, going for probably a steelhead. They're going for bluegills and small niggas. Peace, China. Hold it all, fucker. Yeah. That's not even that far.
Oh, I had it. It's so small. What the fuck is this?
What is it?
What is this? Is it catfish?
Is it? Hey. Hey, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
That's like 2 inches? No, I was kidding.
Oh.
Wow. Damn, you guys are smacking them.
Man, this one's small.
Hey. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Here's a little belly.
Take a picture. Yeah, one cold too. Good. Oh, yeah. Take a
Wow, what the fuck? I think I have a small one. Oh, yeah, I got one. Yes, sir. Oh, this might be a bigger one. No, it's a small one.
That's a yellow one, bro.
Hey. Baby, let's go. Caught me a catfish, lady.
But you guys still weigh the small one, or you guys kept it?
Yes, sir. Let's go, Ning. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. What happened?
Oh my god, bro. I kicked dirt in my fucking eyeball. Oh, bro, dirt, bro. The fucking pepper went in my eye.
Oh.
Oh, shit. That's fucking cold.
I told you, nigga.
I gotta. No, I need it in my other eye.
Oh, you're right? Alright, nigga.
Here you go.
Alright, don't fucking.
Oh my god.
Oh, is it a fatty?
Oh my god. Grip on it, grip on it. Bro, what the fuck?
I lost it.
Bro, what if that was a sturgeon, bro?
Dude! Dude!
Wow, you would have lost your fishing pole.
Fuck that. Oh my god. Dude, that was a big fish. What did I do wrong?
I don't know, that was good.
You saw that hook sound? I was like,
Yeah, they had a little bit. I made it sound nice.
Fatty?
Ooh, it's pulling.
It's pulling?
This is a small one. I threw a hella far. This is small catfish.
Dude.
Oh,
That's like the biggest one tonight.
this one's hella nice.
Captain, bro, that's a long head one.
Grab you, ball.
Yo, boat flip! Let's go.
That's another yellow one. Get that shit, bro.
Go get that shit.
Okay, I got you.
Fuck, bro.
Oh my red.
Okay, this makes up for that fish. Man, this one's hella fat.
I help you put it inside the basket.
Oh my god, he's biting my finger. Fucking bitch.
Don't do that. You want to learn how to guide it? Yeah. Look it.
I already got it. It's good. It's good.
Hold him.
I got it.
You gotta go like this.
I got it. Let's go, fatty. That one's a fatty. Let's go. Wait, it might even. Yeah, on this one.
Hello, small.
That's like an inch.
shit's kind of small.
That's
Fuck.
bigger than that.
Oh my god, that one might be fat.
Oh my god, it's a fatty.
That's a fatty. Oh my shit.
Oh, that's the biggest one.
Oh, what the fuck? Get the fuck out of here, nigga.
That's not even a keeper. That shit had eggs though.
Alright, YouTube. We're at the Sacramento River Ship channel. There was like a group of like 5 people to my right. And one of their buddies caught a green sturgeon. He said they caught it around like 6 or no, 6 or 8 a.m. I don't know. But the water's really high because it just rained. The water's like right there. So usually probably like a foot that way. Can't really see it. But... oh, there you go. Yeah, the rain definitely made it a little more deeper, but yeah, I'll let you guys know if I catch anything. Fucking lost it.